Come test drive the 2018 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, compass, clock, day-night rear-view mirror, brake assist, tachometer, outside temperature gauge. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.